Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make this easy hash brown recipe. This hash browns has onions and peppers in it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for today. Don't forget to follow me on social media. You'll find the links in the description box. I am Chef Tovia and this is Cooking with Tovia. Please don't forget to check out my previous videos as well. So I'm going to show you how I make my hash browns using my GeekChef food processor attachment. So I have some potatoes, some that I peeled a little bit, some I left the peeling on. I just do it sort of, really just for kind of look and flavor. And I cleaned the outsides of the potatoes real good. And I have my shredder attachment, shredder plate. So I'm going to turn the mixer on. We're going to shred all these potatoes. Okay, we got all the potatoes shredded. So what I'm going to do is just remove the potatoes from the food processor a little at a time. And I'm just going to squeeze any excess water out, the potatoes, into one bowl. And I'm going to place the potatoes into another bowl I have over here. So after you squeeze all the water out, we're going to move to the next step. You can use a cheesecloth if you want, or a kitchen towel to help you. I'm heating here some oil on medium-high heat, and I'm going to take the shredded potatoes and just add it to it. Then we're going to spread the potatoes out. Okay, so I'm going to let this brown in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Give this a flip. It's been about 3 minutes or so. I'm going to spread this again, and I'm going to let this sit and cook in the pan on medium for another 3 to 4 minutes. And before I flip it, I'm going to add a small onion that I just sliced. I sliced it down the middle to slice it into half. And also I'm going to add some sliced bell pepper. If you don't want to add bell pepper, you don't have to. So now what I'm going to do is flip the hash brown again. We're going to keep this on between medium-high heat. So I'm going to flip this. We're just going to keep cooking and turning until the potatoes are nice and golden brown and cooked through. So 15-20 minutes total, stirring about every 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper. Then mix that together. I'm going to give this a taste. Beautiful. It has a beautiful smell. And I love the brownness. And I love how the onions and peppers caramelize when it cooks in this over a period of time. So let's give this a taste. It's so good. You have a nice crisp exterior and creamy interior. Absolutely delicious. Please guys, give me a thumb up, share this video, add it to a playlist. And if you are interested in more breakfast recipes, please check the description box. This is part of my breakfast series that I am working on. I do have a couple of other breakfast recipes up. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thank you so much for watching.